Hello, sir. I am Mohammed Ali, the CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution, and we are especially working for Google as suspension and Google as disapprovation. If I show you my recent project, my recent successful project, then I hope you can judge my skill. Okay, if this is my mail, and if I search on their Google Ads account deactivated, you can see there are lots of Google Ads account that I already successfully recovered. If I choose any randomly, then you can see your Google Ads account has been deactivated. It's 5 July, and also if I click it, 10 September, we are happy to let you know it has been reactivated. There was another Google Ads account. If I click this one, you can see that 10 days ago, some good news, your account is reactivated. So if I click on this, then 7 September, this is another, your account has been reactivated. So there we have lots of account that we are reactivated already. Okay, your account has been reactivated 1 on 2. Okay, it's 12 January. So I have lots of access in my multiple Gmail, and you can see that in multiple Gmail there is lots of project is 16 October, your account has been reactivated, and also this one. So I know how to fix it. Because I am only specialist on this sector, and here you can see there is another mail. Here also you can see lots of Google Ads that I deactivated during this time. So I know how to working on it because I have lots of experience in this field. You can see there is another mail. You can see there is okay. Your account activated successfully. That was a payment issue. Okay, so. So this is the basic discussion that I wanted to discuss with you. If you face any Google Ads disapprove issue uh, for your company or for your Google Ads account, then feel free to knock me. Generally, we know that Google Ads account got suspended for some basic issue, that is circumventing issue, suspicious payment issue, unaccepted business policy issue, and also many Google Ads account got disapproved for a compromised site issue and circumventing issue, malicious software issue, okay, past violation, and lots of reasons. So we are here to help you. Uh, just knock us here if under the video we are share our contact information. Hope you touch with us soon, and hope we'll fix your account as soon as possible. Thank you.